Welcome to iTech Hub YouTube channel. Today here we'll show how to delete TikTok account on iPhone. So first simply open the TikTok on your iPhone. Now tap on profile icon. Next tap on three dot at the top right corner of the screen. Now go to privacy and settings. Here tap on manage my account. Here scroll down and tap on delete account. This displays a confirmation page that provides some details about deleting your account. If you created your account with a phone number, you will have to tap verify. Now here enter the code which app texts you. Enter the code to continue with the deletion. If you change your mind, log in before 30 days. After 30 days, your account will be permanently deleted. Then tap on continue. Here tap on delete account. Again tap on delete to confirm it. You will be signed out from TikTok immediately. Your videos will not be visible to others. You will see that account will not visible.